In this lesson, we walk through two high-difficulty trigonometry problems from the digital SAT math section. The first question, we are told a triangle PQR and XYZ are similar with P corresponding to X and Q corresponding to Y, and angle Q and Y are right angles, so both are right triangles. We also given tangent P equals square root 3 over 3 and xy equals 20. We need to find length xz. First, tangent P equals square root 3 over 3 matches tangent 30 degrees, so angle P equals 30 degrees. Because P corresponds to x, and the angle x also equals 30 degrees. With the right angle at y, the triangle XYZ is 30, 60, 90 triangle. We call the side ratio for 30, 60, 90. The side opposite 30 degrees is k. The side opposite 60 degrees is k square root 3. The hypotenuse is 2k, which is the opposite side of angle 90 degrees. Here, angle x is 30 degrees, so the side opposite 30 degrees, yz equals k. The other leg, xy, is the longer leg, k square root 3. We are given xy equals 20, so k square root 3 equals 20, thus k equals 20 over square root 3. The hypotenuse xz represented by 2k, which equals 40 over square root 3. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply the numerator denominator by square root 3. Therefore, 40 square root 3 over 3, choice B. The second problem, a rectangle is inscribed in a circle and its diagonal is 3 times the shorter side. The rectangle's area is 162 square root 2. We need to find the diameter of the circle. Let's call the shorter side x. Since the diagonal of the rectangle is 3 times that, the diagonal is 3x. Now, because the rectangle is inscribed in a circle and its diagonal of the rectangle passes through the center of the circle, its diagonal is exactly diameter of the circle. This means if we can find x, we know the diameter. Let's find the longer side L. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we have L squared plus x squared equals quantity 3x squared. L squared plus x squared equals 9x squared. L squared equals 8x squared. So the longer side L equals 2 square root 2x. We are told the area is 162 square root 2, so 2 square root 2 x times x equals 2 square root 2 x squared. 2 square root 2 x squared equals 162 square root 2 dividing both sides by 2 square root 2 x squared equals 81, x equals 9. Finally, the diameter, which is also the diagonal, is 3 times 9 equals 27. So the diameter of the circle is 27 units. Now, it's your turn. Try the 2 practice questions. Answers will be posted in the pinned comment.